Let me walk you through on how to set parental controls in Jio Hotstar. Parental Controls is a feature inside of Jio Hotstar which lets you enable a pin or create a pin for different profiles that you have within. In order to create a parental control or set up a parental control, just open up the Jio Hotstar application. Once you are inside of the application, make sure you head over to My Spaces on the bottom right and then head over to Help and Settings, which you'll be able to see on the top right of the screen. Once you tap on Help and Settings, you're going to see a bunch of options. First option is going to be Parental Controls. By default, it would be toggled off. So make sure you expand this and you'll see the option where you can now enable the parental control. Just toggle this option on and straight away it's going to ask you to create a 4-digit PIN. This PIN will be needed in order for you to log into this particular profile. So create a 4-digit PIN that you can easily remember, and again in the next screen make sure you confirm it. Once you confirm your PIN, you'll see a message which is going to say PIN set successfully. Anytime you open up a profile that has a parental control setup, you need to enter in the PIN to open up that particular profile. And as easy as that, you have now successfully enabled or set parental controls in a Jio Hotstar. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.